What's up, everybody? Welcome to urbanwork.com, a professional WordPress design and development agency. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a very professional WordPress website for totally free. You don't need to buy any WordPress theme or plugin. Everything is totally free. So if you watch this video from first to last, you will get a huge amount of knowledge about WordPress. So I hope you will watch this tutorial from first to last. So today we are going to use the number one WordPress free theme called Sydney. It's a really awesome theme. So let's see how it looks. We can see here first the theme have a slider option, then we can see services sections, as a section about services also, then we can see our team section. It's really awesome. We can see here a testimonial section and our work section is really very nice. We can see here a showcase. It's really awesome, and we can see a section about us with a video and blog section, latest news, and at the footer we can see three widgets. It gets with video and contact information with text. So we can say that it's really awesome theme. We have a blog page, so let's see the blog page. It's really cool. So to start working, we need to first install the theme. So click on appearance to themes, add new, and type Sydney. Yeah, we can see here the Sydney theme, so we need to install this theme. So click on install, and after installing we need to activate. Click on activate. So yeah, we can see our Sydney theme is successfully installed. So you can see here a message. This theme recommends the following plugins. So we need to install these plugins. Click on begin installing plugins. We can see here two plugin. Check all and select install, then apply. It's installing. We can see the plugins are installed. Now in the appearance we can see the info. We will get some information or instruction from the info. So click on here. So we can see here a tab getting started. Here, if you want to see documentation, just click on here. So click on the recommended action. We can see here it's saying install to Elementor. We have already installed, and Sydney toolbox, it's already done. Then we have installed the theme, and so check the font how it currently looks. It's looking like this. It's really very bad. We don't want like this. We want like this home page. So our website should be looks like this, a very awesome and cool design. So for this we need to import demo content. It's really very easy to import demo content. Just install this and we need to activate. we can see already installed, successfully installed. So click on activate plugin. It's already activated. So in this case we need to import demo content app. We need to click appearance to input demo data and just simply click on import demo data. It will take some time, just wait. Our current website looking like this. We don't want like this, it's really very bad. Just give some time to import all demo contents. So at this time please subscribe to our channel so that you can get like this type of many videos in future. So just subscribe to our channel. We can see here now our all demo data is inputted. The demo input has finished. So just check the homepage demo, homepage layout. Yeah, we can see here a very nice and awesome homepage layout here. We oh so sad. We can see here some sections are broken, some broken section. Oh so sad. So we need to fix that. The layout looks should be looks like this. So let's see what is the problem. Go to on demo con asset info. So let's check what should I do now. Have we installed Sydney Toolbox? I am really little bit confused. Oh, sorry, we didn't activate Sydney Toolbox. So must we need to activate all plugin. So click activate Sydney Toolbox. Now just refresh the website. I hope everything will be fine. So yeah, at the last we can see our result. It's really very awesome. The design is very awesome. So our website looking like the demo. So we need to start work, we need to customize everything, we need to change every content. So go to dashboard to pages. We are going to customize our home page. So my front page, it's like our home page. So just simply click on edit with Elementor. Now we'll see the magic. Just wait some time. Yeah, now we are going to edit our home page. Just is really so easy. It's really very easy to edit. Suppose we are going to customize this section. Suppose we are web design and development agency, or if you are a photographer, you should keep here photography related contents. If you are a web designer, web developer, so you should keep here web design and development related contents. If you are a graphic designer, you should be put here some graphics design related info here. So suppose we are a web design and development agency, we want to change this section. Suppose edit, change the title, just click on here. We can see here, from here we can easily change our title. Suppose our special services. If you wanted to edit here, just click on here. So from here you can easily change your contents. Suppose the title is web design. So if you wanted to change the icon, just click on here, change the icon name. Suppose this view you're not liking, then you just need to change from view to stacked. If you select stacked, the icon will be looks like that. If you click on default, then it will be looks like that. So I think from this better you can change the shape from here, square or circle. So we are keeping circle. From here we can change the description from here. We are a professional web design and development agency. Here we give a short description. Suppose here we want to keep WordPress development. Suppose you want to change the content to we are a WordPress design and development agency, contact with us. Suppose you also provide a SEO service, so just change the title SEO and change the description. We are a top class SEO service agency, contact with us. And in the same way you can change the icon. Here you will be able to give a link. Suppose here suppose you have a page, web design related page. Let me show you. Just put in here hash and hash, then update. After updating, just refresh the home page. We can see here the changes. Suppose you want to link a page in this section. It's really a very short description. It will be better if would hear a very big description. So we can create a page. Click on pages, add new, web design. We can add other page, WordPress development. we can add another page called SEO. Now we can link up these pages with this section. So for SEO, this is the link. Just simply click on edit button and paste the link. And for the WordPress development, the link is give the link and web design link. This is the web design link. Just copy, click on edit and paste in the link box. Just update. After updating, refresh the home page, and here we can see the section, and when we hover on the title and the icon, we can see here it's linked. So click on web design. We are going to web design page. Suppose it's just a short description and a title about your services. It's really very short. If you want to describe largely, then you can link up the page here. Now we need to add content here. If suppose your all description, all images you need to work on here, you need to make a web design page from here. After that, when visitor will click on web design or WordPress development or SEO, they will see all the details on the full SEO WordPress development web design page. I will show you it later. So that you can also here a button. You need to edit this. So click on edit button. Suppose you want to send the button title text, see more. You can change the button type. I think default is very good for us, and in this case you need to create a page where you will talk about your other services. Suppose you have created a page all services, just publish and copy the link as like before and paste here. So here you again need to add your content, your description or images here, then update, refresh the home page. You will see the changes, and when you will click on see more, it's going to other page. You need to add content here from this page. So our next section, what we provide. What is we provide? If you want to change, just click on edit button. If you want to change the title, you can change from here. If you want to change this global coverage, you need to click on edit button. Suppose 24/7 customer support. You can give a description about your support. Free copy, you can change the title and description from here. You can change the icon from here. You can change the view from here. And again, you can change the title. Suppose one year free support. Here you can give a description, and also here we can see a image section. So just click on edit button. Then you need to add image. Suppose what search for image. Build WordPress website. We can see here a size 1024 into 1024. So search image for that size is 1024 and click on go. We can see here a lot of images. So suppose we are going to add this image. Click on open in new image and save the image. And change the image and click on add. Select files. Go to desktop image. This is our image. Click on open. Then insert media, and you can add a caption. Membership website. You can also link up with this image. Suppose admin.Com. Then click on update. After updating, refresh the home page. Here we can see the changes, and it's linked up with admin.com. So this is our next section. Just simply click on edit button. You can see you can change title from here. You can, if you want to change this text, sorry, just click on edit button. Then you can change the title. All from here you can change this title. You can change this button. Suppose button text is meet. You can also change the button type. I hope you will be able to change these things. And here our team section. If we want to change this section, we need to click on edited button. Suppose you want to change the title or team members. Suppose you don't want to link up this, so we need to edit this member section area. Just click on edit button. Here we can see the item 1. So from here you can add your team members images, his or her social media link from this section. So delete. We should download some member image. Sorry, extremely sorry. Suppose we are going to add this image in our member section area. So simply download image. Suppose we are going to add this image. Save this image. Again want to add this image. So just add, just save the image. From here we can simply change everything. Suppose employee name is Robin. Suppose going to add this image. Name is Robin, position is CEO. You can add a Facebook link. Suppose Facebook link is facebook.com/rbnwork. Twitter link is twitter.com/rbnwork. And we don't want a LinkedIn. You can also add a link for person's name rbnwork.com. When anybody will click on the name, then it will go to this link. So our item, we have 4 items. So for the second item, we need to change the image. Suppose we are going to use this image. Change Shawn, position general manager, Facebook. facebook.com/rbn work. Twitter is twitter.com/rbn work, and person name link bnwork.com. Suppose we want 3 items, we don't want 4 items. So if you need more items, just click on add item. You need to choose image. You need to give here employee name, position, Facebook link, Twitter link. You can add more item by clicking add item, and also you can delete items by clicking on the cross icon. Just update and you refresh the home page. We can see here our team member section. You can immediately click on link. It will go into our WordPress.com. We have get the link into here, and then we need to change this section. Just click on edited button. You can change icon from here, a lot of icons. You can give a link, and suppose you want to change price case 98 to 95. It will 95. Suppose you want to change animation duration. Now 2 seconds is the animation duration. If you make it 1000, it will very fast, or if you make it 5000, it will be very slow. It's actually the animation duration. So I think 2000 is fine. If you want to add any number suffix, just click on, just put on here a number prefix, put on here, and starting number also you can put here. If you give here 10, it will start from 10. From 0 is 5. If you want to change this section, it will like that. Just click on edit button and change like the first. Just click on edit button and change like the first. You can change the icon. You can change the amount of customer number. And here we can see the testimonials section. It's really important. If you want to change the title of this section, just click on edit button and change from here. Suppose our customer reviews, and you can also link up with the title from here. If you don't want any link in this title, and if you want to add or delete or edit testimonials, you need to click on edit. Currently we have 2 items. Just simply click on edit button to edit. Suppose we want to change this image, want to keep our client's image, click on insert media. Suppose our client name is login shown, and client position is CEO. And from here you can put a feedback, you can put a review. So being work very professional with development company. We are really very satisfied with their services. Thanks. Here we can see the changes, and also for the second one we need to add our client image. Suppose we want to add him. Insert media, need to put here client name, client's position, and you need to text here, need to put text here. Suppose you want to add one more item, just click on add button. We need to keep here client image, client name, client position, and client review, and just simply click on update button, then refresh the website, the home page. We can see here the 3 testimonials we have added sometimes ago, and the next our section is our work. We need to change this section, so we need to click on edit button as well. Suppose if you want to change the title, give here your title or all work. If you want to link up this title with link, then just keep here the link, and we can see here showcase, and here you can keep some images, some picture from your work. If you are a photographer, you can put here your images which is you have captured. So just simply click on edit button, and we can see here 10 items, all items 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You don't want 10 items, or we don't want to work on 10 items. Just I am showing you 2 or 3 items so that you can get idea how to work on there. Suppose I am going to change the image. Suppose we are web design and development agency, so we need some images. Web design and development, we can get idea image height and width from here. Two 270 to 180. 270 is the width, 180 is the height. Suppose it's our web design image. Just delete the image, upload your image, and click on insert media. Project title should be web design. And if you are a web developer, then you don't need this title, this item, science, art, creative. Here should be web design, web development, WordPress customization, etc. So just change the filter term name to web design. We can see here web design as a filter term. You also link up this image. Suppose link is rbnwork.com, and first we need to delete art, creative, science. So just take all the filter term, just remove all the filter term, remove filter term from all item. Suppose we want to keep here a project about WordPress development, then suppose this was a WordPress development project. Just need to download the image, upload the image, click on insert media, and give a filter item title WordPress development. You can also link up from here. Suppose the link is rbnwork.com. We can see here WordPress development, edit item 3. So here's WordPress customization. Think this is our work. Simply download and delete the image and upload from the gallery. Click on open and then insert media. Project title you can give RBN project. You can add a filter term title WordPress theme customization. Here we can see WordPress customization, then update, and to refresh the home page. We can see here web design, WordPress development, WordPress theme customization. If you are a photographer, you can keep here natural photo, wedding, and etc. If you click on web design, then here will show only web design related work. If you click on web development, here will show only web development related work, and here will show only WordPress theme file customization related work. I hope other elements, other items will be able to change. These are all the same system. So our next section we are, I hope you will also able to edit this section easily. Just click on edit button. If you want to edit this content, just click on edit button and change content from here. Click on edit button and change content from here. And if you want to edit this section, you need to click on edit button as well. Then suppose for the first item, title is design, you can change with design. Suppose you know web design all about 90%, just keep here 90 and it will load to 90. It will cover to 90%. Suppose display per sentence you can also hide. I think it should be shown. You can edit other elements following same method. WordPress. Suppose you know WordPress 95%. Just click type here 95. It will be 95%. And the other items also in the same way. Now here we can see here a text and button. You can simply change from by clicking edit button. In the same way, I hope you will be able to change. You can change the button size, small, extra small to extra large, everything. And here we can see the about section. To change, just click on edit button. You can add and change the section name about you. If you want to change the content, just click on here and change content from here. And here we can see the video. We can keep here a video from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, say posted. Suppose we want to keep a video here. Go to my channel. Suppose we want to keep this video on our website.
Hey,
So,
my friends, Kevin here. I just want to share with you my experience in working with the RBN Work Agency.
Paste here the link, and here is our video. You can enable autoplay option. If you select this option, when a visitor will visit your website, it will starting autoplay. You can mute your sound. You can give a loop everything. I hope you will understand. Suppose you want to change the section, just click on say edit button, and from here you can add images. If you can clear all image, and you can put here some signature. Suppose these are our company logo. Just click on insert gallery, then we can see here. And our next section is latest news. Latest blogs. You can change the number of posts. You can see here 4 items: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here is 3, and here is 1, 4. Suppose you want to keep here 3 items. Just type 3. You can give a category here also. Suppose you want to keep here web design related categories posts, then you can select. You need to create a category from the dashboard. So we have currently a category technology. You can select the technology, then all technology related posts will show here. And also you can link up with blog page. It's already linked up. Suppose if anyone click on see all our news, it will go to the blog page. Here is a really very awesome blog page, and here we can see some links of social media. You can change this very easily. Just click on by edit icon. Here you can select your social media. Suppose our social media link, Facebook link is facebook.com. Keep here. Our Twitter link is twitter.com. Suppose we want to use Google Plus link, we want to use Weibo link. Suppose our WordPress link is wordpress.com, and you also will be able to add item. Suppose you want to add YouTube, just select the YouTube and keep the link. Just give the link here and paste and update, and refresh the home page. And from here we can see our social media icons. Suppose if you click on Twitter, it will go in Twitter. Here is our Twitter, and suppose you click on Facebook icon, it will go into our Facebook. It will click on WordPress, it will go on our WordPress, and if you click on YouTube, it will go on our YouTube channel. So I hope You understand well how to change this. And now we can see the footer section. We need to know how to change footer section to its calls actually widget area. So if you want to change this section, we need to go appearance to widgets. Here we can see some widgets section. Footer 1 means this is our footer 1, this is our footer 2, and this is our footer 3. Suppose we don't want to keep video on our footer 1. Suppose we want to keep gallery on footer 1. So add some images, create a new gallery, click on insert gallery, give a title, our CEO. No, it's not CEO, it's not man, human being. Save and refresh your website, and you will see here the images. I think it's not there, it should be not there. So refresh the home page to see the changes. Here we can see the images and we can see the title. I know that in a company only one CEO, just I have just added the title as our CEO. And in the footer 2, we can see here some text. Suppose we don't want to keep this text there. We want to keep here pages. Not pages. I think there want to keep calendar. Give a title and just refresh the page and you will see the changes. Here you can see a very code calendar, and in the footer tree, suppose you want to keep this contact info, you can keep here your contact info. Suppose enter your address, you need to give your address here, Dhaka, Bangladesh, and here you need to give your phone number plus 0175987181, and here you need to give your email rbnwar.bd@gmail.com. Simply save and refresh the page. We'll see the changes. Yeah, I hope you will understand how to edit the home page properly. Oh, one thing remaining, this is the slider. I didn't show you how to change the slider yet. To change this, you need to go appearance to customize. Then from here you need to go on header area. You can change header type from here. You can add full screen slider or image. You also can add video on the header, or if you want to keep the slider section, just Just want to keep the menu, just simply select no header. Then there will be only the menu. So we want to keep a slider here. To change the slider, we need to go on header slider. We can put here slider speed currently 4000, 4 seconds, suppose 1000. 1000 means 1 second, it will very slow, very fast. I think 4000 is better. If you want to change first slide image, then just delete and add a image, slider image. No, it's not good. It's not good as a slider image. Just I showed you how to change. You also can change the slider text. Welcome to Cine2. Welcome to RBN work. Suppose as a subtitle, get make your website today. Suppose we want to keep this image as second slide image. Just change the image and we'll show the changes. We can see here the changes. You also can change the title IBN or agency world class service, and you can also add third slide, fourth slide, fifth slide, and to edit the call to action button, you can change the title button title to here. So publish and refresh the home page and we will see the changes. So I hope you will understand how to customize Cine theme, how to work with Cine theme. Suppose you want to add one more pages, contact us pages. Well, I said for this section, suppose you want to keep some more contents in the web design page, so we need to work on web design page. Go to pages, go to web design, and here we need to add some section. If we browse the web design page, we can see it's not full page. Here are a lot of widgets, so we don't want the widgets area, so we just simply select full width page and update, then refresh the page. We can see now web design is full width. Also we want to add some section, some content. Suppose here we want to add a section and want to keep two columns, and in the first column want to add title, our professional services. You can change the tag, you can link up, and you can change the size from here. Suppose you want to keep here some description. Before this, want to keep some space, so keep space here. Suppose 10 pixel or 15 pixel, and here suppose you here want to keep a image. Web design. Suppose this image want to keep on there. Save. And click on add button. Drag and drop the image from here. Or we can see a dimensions 1024 into 1024. So we should go with that size 100 1024 size. Suppose we want to add this image. Open a new tab and save the image. Suppose we have T. And now add that image which one want to keep here. This is our image. Click on insert media and it's added. Also suppose you want to keep a icon. Suppose you want to keep this icon here. And want to add an image also here. Click on add media. Suppose this image want to keep here. Click on insert to the post and click on update. Suppose you want to keep other contents here, just add. Click here, click a row and column, and then just add element. It's very easy. You need to do in the same way. Then refresh the home page. In this case, if anyone click on web design, it will be go onto the web design page. We can see here web design page. You can keep your content here. I just showed you like demo. In the same way, you can add other WordPress development and SEO page content. And now suppose we want to add a contact page. Let me cut or tap. We want to add a contact page in the menu, so we need to add a page. Click on add new and to give the title contact us and publish. So we need to add this page into our menu. So appearance to menu, and this is our page we have created second ago, and we can see here it's added. Refresh the home page, display the website, then we can, oh sorry, that is white. Contact us page. Currently we can't see any content here. We should here a contact form, so we need to add a contact form plugin. So click on plugins to add new. I think you know contact form 7 is the best. Contact form 7 is the best contact form plugin. So it's totally free. Click on install now. After installing, activate it. After activating, we can see a contact in the dashboard. So click on contact, and you can see here a demo contact form here. Here we can field as a field name, email, subject, message, and submit button, send. So we need to copy this shortcut. We need to copy this shortcut, and you need to go on the page where we want to give this contact form, obviously in contact page. Then we should not put the shortcut on the visual. If you put the shortcut in the visual, then it will looks like, oh, it's working, no problem. Sometimes it don't work if you put on visual. Suppose CSS code, you need to put on text, but contact for 7 shortcut work perfectly. Shortcuts always work perfectly on visual, but if you want to do any design, then you need to go on text and need to code on text, not on visual. So you can see here a contact form. Suppose go to contact form, edit, and change, or it's already has been worked out bd@gmail.com, my email. Suppose name Robin Ahmed Shaun, your email date Robin work gmail.com, subject I am a web developer. In message, hey, I am Robin, a WordPress developer. If you need website, then contact with me. Then just simply click on send. It's showing the message that thank you for a message, it has been sent. So let me take the email. Yeah, we can see here I have received the message from Robin Amishan. Here is the email. Subject: I am the developer. Message body. I hope this video will help you how to build a WordPress website very professionally. It's totally free theme. Every plugins are free. So guys, I hope you will subscribe to my channel because I am going to make amazing video in future about how to build WordPress website, how to work on WordPress or WordPress plugin. Everything will be on WordPress related services. So I hope you will subscribe to my channel right now. And if you need any kind of WordPress related website, WordPress related services, website related services, just send us a message or contact with us. Our email is rbnwork.bd@gmail.com. I will give all contact information in the video description. We are always ready to build a very professional WordPress website for you, and our supporter team is always ready to provide you world-class support in short term. So thank you, take care, and pray for us. Pray for rbnwork.com so that we can do better thing in future. Thank you.